Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. Let's get into this. Today's video is about converting one hairstyle to another. As you can see, I have twists that I did and I love. I think these twists are about like 5 days old, but at the moment I'm like, let's change it a little bit. So I want to convert the front into small flat twists, like really small flat twists. I mean, not too small, but like small flat twists. So what we're going to do is basically to unravel the front. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel these twists. The easiest way to unravel my twist is to spray water. My hair is prone to less breakage if I unravel my hair when it's damp rather than when it's dry. For my girlies who have natural hair, if you're trying to unravel your hair, spray water is a game changer. Just try this method and you'll thank me later. Okay, all done. That was quick. This portion that I took out is a bit too big, so I'm just gonna reduce it a little bit. Think about there, should be fine. Yeah, I think this side should be fine. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. When parting your lines, the best thing you need to do is to make sure your hair is well detangled. That always helps. I like to make sure I have clean lines, so most of the time I would keep parting my lines just to make sure they're straight. And again, having a well detangled hair helps the process. I mean, I want it small, but like not too tiny. The style of the mini flat twist I want to do is just like straight backs, so there's no like extra design or anything. Yeah, this should be fine. So it'll be quite easy to part this protective style. One thing about me is I would always spray my hair with water to make it damp before I do any hairstyle, just because it's just so easy. Alright, let's flat twist. I just realized that I actually haven't done mini flat twists in this size in a long time, so this is quite interesting. I'm also making sure that my flat twists are not too tight because I know that they're tiny, so I am trying to protect my edges by any means necessary. So when you're doing your own mini flat twist, please make sure you don't pull your edges while you're installing them. One down. I am not finishing the ends because I want them to also be the same size as the twist I have at the back. So I would probably combine about 2 or 3 to make one twist with the rest that I have. The first thing I do when I part the lines for my mini twists is to spray water again to make it damp, then detangle with my detangling brush, and then I'm ready to flat twist. If you notice, I'm not putting any additional products. This is because my hair is already previously moisturized, so I don't need to add additional products to it. However, if your hair is freshly washed and you're attempting this hairstyle, please make sure you add products to moisturize your hair once you have hydrated your hair with water. Again, because I'm doing straight backs as my hairstyle in front, I'm just making sure my lines are as straight as they can be. However, if you're attempting this hairstyle, you can do any style you want. You can do zigzags, you can do curly lines, whatever lines you want, this hairstyle can make it work. You can even make your flat twist tinier than this if you want. You know, I would always remind you to be gentle with your edges and don't pull too tight. I would always remind you to always be gentle on your edges because I tried to grow them, so the best way is to protect them. At the end of the day, it's a protective style, right? Also, if you decide to try this hairstyle, and I hope you do, if you don't like flat twists or you don't know how to do flat twist, you can do cornrows. I just prefer flat twist, and that's why I'm doing flat twist. But you can also switch it up a bit if that's what you want to suit your hair and your preference. It's not a one-size-fits-all, people. I'm gonna go ahead and start flat twisting the ones on this side as well, and then come back and sort of do the middle. Another thought that I have also is you can also make your flat twist as big as the twist you have at the back. That will also be another hairstyle and another look. I know I'm definitely going to try that in the future. If you feel I'm being repetitive about the edges, I apologize, but I can't say this enough. We gotta save them edges, so please be gentle on your edges. You can even leave a few hairs out on your edges so you don't catch them in your flat twist, but please leave them out. Your edges will thank you, okay? And I'm thanking you. I have about 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 9 on each side. I'm not particular about my middle part because I've been trying to move my middle part because I don't want to lose hair there. So wherever it falls is good by me. Me and my love for straight lines. And I'd always be the first one to tell people, oh, don't worry if your line is crooked. I need to practice what I preach. I don't even think I've spent an hour so far on the front because it's not that much. Let's keep on twisting. Let's keep on. Oh my god, I love it. Yeah, this will just be 3. That's fine by me. I'm looking at my fingers now and it's quite funny to me because it looks like my fingers are braiding, but they're actually doing flat twists. Interesting. There is nothing as joyful as knowing that you're at the finish line. Ooh, I got 2 left. 2 left. Let's make sure they're equal and straight. This is definitely an arm workout for sure. It's not easy making your own hair yourself, but it's really worth it in the end. You decide how you want your hair to be, how tight it is, how protective you want it to be. It's all in your hands and I'll take that any day, anytime. Last flat twist standing. Oh, jolly. Last twist. Last twist. All done. Look at that. Oh, happy days. A happy day. Ooh. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23. Odd numbers. Perfect. I like odd numbers. All right, time to do the remaining hair that I unraveled that I have at the back. And at this point, there's no rhyme or reason. I am just going with the size that I think works for the twists I already have. I'm even using my fingers to part the line because that's how I did the back. Because I intend to do a twist out at the back, when I was doing the twist, I twisted it with mousse. So I'm gonna add more mousse to this one so we can have a nice twist out once we're ready. The small one, I will go ahead and continue twisting that because I feel like when I'm styling this hairstyle, I would want it to come out the side. You gotta think about these things when you're doing your hair. You have to think about how you style them, how you wear them. I can already see myself wearing this hairstyle as an updo and then leaving this on the side to just dangle. So I'm gonna take you. And also remember, practice makes progress. If it's a bit difficult now, it gets easier later with practice and consistency. So you got this, girl. Yes, you. Awesome. As I mentioned before, I am adding mousse because I plan to do a twist out with the twists at the back at some point during this hairstyle. I really hope I do. But if you're not planning to do a twist out with the twist at the back, you can skip the step of adding mousse and just continue creating your twist. I am parting the lines for the twist at the back with my fingers only because I had done the same with the twist at the back. I am also making sure they're the same size with the twist I already have at the back just because of uniformity. I want them to match and look like they were done at the same time. This is definitely one of my favorite hairstyles because, as we all know, two-strand twists are a protective style. I will always do that to protect my hair and my ends any day, anytime. And if there's a way I can also make it stylish, count me in. On the last twist, however, I have just one flat twist left. This is because I have odd numbers of flat twists, but it's so good, it's so good. I'm gonna just divide it by the two, and we're good. I also love a good versatile hairstyle, and this hairstyle is definitely going to be that because I can already see myself styling it in different ways. Oh my gosh, we're done. Okay. So I'm just gonna spray some water at the back to rehydrate it and moisturize it, and then get ready, and our hairstyle is done. This is definitely such a cute protective hairstyle. What more could a natural hair girly ask for? As usual, I'm very grateful and very thankful that you've watched my video to the very end. Please actually press that like button to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you have subscribed, thank you. Don't forget to press that bell so you get a notification for every time I post so you don't miss videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.